Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past day and a half broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line annotation down here is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the movement continued. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this green line for nearer term levels of support. Sure, that level down at 90 still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the newest areas of support after today and what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.15. With that being said, if the price falls below $1.15, I am not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can actually manage to stay up above $1.15, that would certainly be a good solid sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture of everything. So this assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above $1.15 would be great. However, big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. They seem to be right up around $1.30. Actually, final 30 minutes, the price was able to temporarily push through $1.30, but could not maintain it. So therefore, $1.30 still got to be considered that area of resistance. All in all, though, as long as the price starts chipping away and building higher bases like it did today, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on higher lows and just let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.